Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up landlord insurance quotes with Policygenius, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the Policygenius website. In the search bar, type landlord insurance and hit enter. You will see various options related to landlord insurance quotes. Click on the option that says get a quote. You will be directed to a page where you can enter your property information. Fill in the details about your rental property, including the address. Specify the type of dwelling, such as a single-family home or multifamily unit. Input the year the property was built and its current estimated value. Provide information about any additional structures on the property, like garages or sheds. Next, indicate whether the property is currently occupied or vacant. You will need to answer questions about the number of units and the type of tenants you usually have. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on See Your Quotes. The system will process your details and generate a list of insurance. Review the quotes displayed on the screen. You can filter the options based on coverage or premium amounts. Select a policy that best fits your needs by clicking on it. You'll be taken to a detailed page with more information about the selected policy. Here, you can review coverage options and exclusions. If you're satisfied, click on Continue to proceed with the application. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your email address and create a password. Once your account is set up, you'll return to the application. You might need to provide further personal information, such as your contact details. Review your entire application to ensure all information is accurate. Finally, submit your application for the chosen landlord insurance policy. You will receive confirmation and next steps in your email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.